Hi, I'm Ross from Arcan Trailer. Today we're going to look at our pre-owned 2017 Summerland Mini by Springdale, 1750 model. We'll start on the outside. You've got your propane tank will sit here. You've got a battery box all set up for a battery already. Around the exterior of the trailer, you've got a full pass-through storage that you can open up from either side as well, so nice and convenient that way. You've got your hot water tank here. Your city and fresh connections will be at the rear of the trailer, and also 30 amp service for this particular unit. Spare tire will mount on the back as well, and then on this side here you've got your satellite or your cable hookup. Full length awning with outside speakers, and also a plug-in on the exterior, so if you want to plug in a coffee pot or a radio or anything like that, you can do that as well. So let's step inside. In the front of the unit, we've got a full-size queen bed with an audio system attached to the top, storage on cabinets as well as shelving above. Got a bathroom, again with a single sink, storage underneath, and a full vanity on the top, as well as a tub shower. Plenty of counter space with a sink as well. You've got your cooktop here. You've also got a microwave and a two-way refrigerator at the bottom. And probably the best part of this entire trailer is this huge U Shaped Dinette at the back with windows, so lots of natural light, as well as air conditioned. So I'm Ross at Arcan Trailer. Come see me.